Hey yo! Hey, I'm finna show you how to make money from your phone. Learn how to make money from your phone right now. Subscribe now. Hit the notification bell. Learn how to make money from your phone. Alright, what's good? Alright, y'all see I made a deposit. $77. January 18th. Flipped that mug, ran that mug up to about $250. So I'm about to make a $200 withdrawal. Alright. And here go the email. New withdrawal request. So I see the date, January 19th. It's my email. Y'all see the withdrawal request order number. Everything match up. 200 off of $77. You know what I'm saying? There goes the completed withdrawal right here. 200 in Litecoin. Made this flip in one day. You know what I'm saying? Make $100 per day from your phone. Like, comment, subscribe now.